Okay, let us sit for meditation. First of all, let us shake our hands a little bit. Comfortably, easily, shake our hands. And stop shaking our hands and place them comfortably on your lap or on your knees. Now let us fix our gaze 1 feet, 1.5 feet in front of you. There you fix your gaze on the floor. And now let us keep our body still for 3 minutes. Our body is to be kept still like a statue. We can do it. We can keep our body still for 3 minutes only, and also keep our gaze fixed at a point in front of us. Now, let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. And as you breathe out, you may relax your shoulders. Let us become aware of our whole body. Our body has billions and trillions of atoms. There is enormous energy in our body. Now we may gently close your eyes and let us take our attention to the back of our head. Though our eyes are closed, our mind or our attention still is in front. Let us notice it. Now gently take your mind or your attention to the back of your head. Let us become aware of our whole body. Our body is still. Let's take our attention. Scan our whole body from our own mind. Let's take our attention from the top of the head. Let us take our attention through the brain, back of the head, and notice that if there is any tension in the body, just let it be there. We are not in a hurry to get rid of any tension. We just want to keep everything as it is. Let's take our attention to our cheeks, our jaws. Let's keep a big smile on our face. As we smile, all the muscles in our face and the brain gets relaxed. Keeping the smile on your face, take your attention to your throat and neck region. Our attention can flow down slowly, gradually, like a viscous fluid. धीरे धीरे अपने मन को नीचे लेके आए, गले के पास और छाती में. फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए, सांस भर दीजिए और धीरे धीरे छोड़ें. And let us take our attention to our chest, our shoulders and arms. Become aware of the circulation that is happening. in your body. Now is the time for us to look into our own body. All the systems are functioning involuntarily. Relax your thighs, your knees, and any discomfort anywhere in the body, let us bear with it for just few minutes. Let it be there. Let us honor our own body. This body is a precious gift to us from God, from nature. ईश्वर का देन है हमारा अपना शरीर को मन ही मन हम आदर करते हैं. It's the breath that is keeping us alive. Let's move to the second dimension, the breath. Incoming breath energizes the body, while outgoing breath brings relaxation to our body. This is the natural phenomenon which is happening all the time. Notice every time you breathe out, the whole body is relaxing. And when you breathe in, you are getting energized. अंदर सांस लेते वक्त हमको शक्ति मिलती है और सांस छोड़ते वक्त शरीर को विश्राम मिल रही है. Like fish in the water, we are in air. Our life is in the air, all around us and inside of us. जैसे जल में मछली, वैसे हवा में हम हैं. हमारे भीतर बाहर वायुमंडल है. इसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Simultaneously become aware of the air inside of you and the air all around you. Let's move into the third dimension, the mind. Our body is like the wick of a candle. The mind is like the glow around it. शरीर बाती है तो मन ज्योति है. जो भी विचार आ रहे हो मन में इस वक्त आने दें. ना रोकना, ना किसी विचार को टोकना है. अच्छे बुरे कोई भी विचार पुराने नए आ रहे हो तो आने दें. हम सिर्फ विश्राम करते जाएंगे. जागृत विश्राम. Restful alertness is what we are having right this moment. Let go of all your effort and simply relax. A wakeful rest. Our mind is subtler than air and subtler than water and air, and it radiates, spreads all around you. मन बहुत पतला है और फैल जाता है चारों दिशाओं। करने दीजिए, फैलने दें उनको। Now let us become aware of the walls of the room we are sitting in. जिस कमरे में बैठे हैं वहाँ के दीवारों को याद कर लीजिए। खिड़की या दीवार। Just become aware of the space in the room you are in. As the mind expands or you become aware of the space in the entire room, your body starts relaxing more and more. Whatever is happening right this moment, just let it be. इस वक्त कुछ तनाव हो, कहीं कोई असुविधा हो, रहने दें। उन सब असुविधाओं को स्वीकार करते हुए विश्राम करें। सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दे, लेट गो ऑफ ऑल योर एफर्ट, not to intently listen to the instruction as well, just relax that also. This moment is nothing to do and nothing to know either. इस वक्त न कुछ करने को है ना ही जानने को, केवल विश्राम करना है। As the body relaxes, the mind expands, and vice versa. Every night when we sleep, the mind expands, but we are not aware. This moment, let us relax and let the mind touch the ceiling. सिर की चोटी पर ध्यान ले जाएं और सिर के ऊपर छत तक की दूरी को स्मरण करें। Become aware of the space above your head up to the ceiling of the hall you are in. And now let go of all your efforts. अभी सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें, कुछ भी नहीं करना है। विश्राम और गहरी विश्राम। Our body is still now. Our breath has become feeble and subtler. Our mind is calming down. Whatever is happening, just let it happen. Whatever thoughts are coming, let them come. कुछ भी न करें, ना ही कुछ जानना है, केवल विश्राम. विशाल गगन है, अरबों करबों तारे सितारे. Vast sky, millions of stars are there. Let go all your efforts. कोई कहीं भी तनाव रहे, रहने दें उनको, वैसे ही रहने दें, अपने आप मिट जाएंगे सब. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम शांति शांति शांति. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस लीजिए और वो मुस्कान शरीर के कण कण तक पहुंचने दें. Let the smile spread to every cell of our body. Let every cell relax, expand, relax and smile. Then slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings. And let's take a deep breath in. And as we breathe out, we may open our eyes.